So, student, this is the second part of our rational number series. So, rational numbers. And today in this video, we are going to see the other properties of rational number. We'll try to test today in this video the property of commutativity of for addition, for subtraction, for multiplication, for division. And we will take couple of examples to try and test if these properties are true. So, what is commutative property for addition? If A and B are rational numbers, then if A plus B is equal to B plus A, then that is the commutativity for addition. Now, if A minus B is equal to B minus A, this is for subtraction, then A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. And this is for multiplication, and for division, A divided by B is equal to B divided by A. So, we'll try to test this out with proper rational numbers. Okay? So, let's start. Let me erase all this so we can take with examples. So, let's see for commutativity for addition. And let's take an example. If minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7 is equal to 5 by 7 plus minus 2 by 3. So, we'll try to see as per the rule we discussed just few minutes back. If we are trying to test A plus B is equal to B plus A, if this is happening or not. So, if this is true or this is false, we'll try to solve this. So, for that, we'll solve this side, and then we'll see if they are equal. So, minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7 is equal to minus 14 plus 15 by 21. So, that gives me 1 by 21. So, this is the answer for left side. Now, let's reverse this and make it B plus A, that is 5 by 7 plus in bracket minus 2 by 3. So, this equal to 15, this plus minus minus, and 14 and divided by 21. So, this comes to 1 upon 21. So, you see both the answers are same, and that means that this is true, that commutativity for addition is true. So, that means A plus B is equal to B plus A. So, remember, commutativity is true for addition. Now, we'll move to next property. Let's see if this is true for subtraction. Let me erase all this. So, let's try commutative property for subtraction. And here we are trying to prove if A minus B is equal to B minus A or not. So let's take an example. For example, 2 upon 3 minus 5 upon 4. If this equals to 5 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3. So we are trying to figure out this combination. If this solution and this solution comes equal, then commutative property for subtraction is true. If not, then it is not. So let's try to solve this side. 2 by 3 minus 5 by 4 is equal to 8 minus 15 divided by 12. And that gives us 7 and bigger number sign. So minus 7 divided by 12. Right? Now, this is the solution for this side. Now let's try to figure out this side. 5 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3. So that gives me 15 minus 8 divided by 12. Now this gives me 7 by 12. So you see, this is minus 7 by 12, this is plus 7 by 12. So that means this is not correct. And that means A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So that means that commutative property for subtraction is not true. So that means commutative is not true in rational number case for subtraction. Remember, we are talking about rational numbers here. So commutative property for addition is true, but subtraction is not true. So they are not commutative. Now let's try to see what happens in multiplication. So commutative property for multiplication. Now this would be A into B, that is A multiplied by B, equal to B into A. So we are trying to see if this stands correct or not. So let's take an example. Minus 7 upon 3 multiplied by 6 upon 5 is equal to, we will see if 6 upon 5, the other way around, multiply by minus 7 upon 3. So we are trying to figure out if these two sides are equal or not. So minus 7 divided by 3 multiplied by 6 divided by 5 is equal to multiplication of this 2 and this 2. Minus 42 divided by 15. So this is the answer for this. And now we'll try to see 6 upon 5 multiplied by minus 7 upon 3. So that gives me minus 42 divided by 15. So you see both the responses are same. So that means this stands true. So that means multiplication is commutative in case of rational number. Now let's try to see in division. So commutative property for division. Let's take two numbers, and here we are trying to figure out if A divided by B is equal to B divided by A or not. And we are taking the numbers minus 5 by 4 divided by 3 by 7, if this equals the other way also or not. 3 by 7 divided by minus 5 by 4. So what we are going to do here, we will solve these two sides separately. That is minus 5 upon 4 divided by 3 upon 7. So for our convenience, yesterday I taught you one method. So let's try to apply minus 5 upon 4. I am just converting division to multiplication and making it 7 by 3. So reversing the order when you change the sign. So this gives me minus 35 divided by 12. Now, this is the answer for this side. Now, let's try to figure out this side. 3 by 7 divided by minus 5 by 4. This equals to, we'll apply the method, 3 by 7 multiply by minus 4 by 5. And this gives me minus 12 divided by 35. So, you see, these two numbers are not same. So, that means that commutative property doesn't stand for division in rational number case. So, that's how we tried for three different things. So, let me finally write the conclusion of all this. So, you will get an idea that how it works. So, in case of rational numbers, commutativity for addition is true. That means A plus B is equal to B plus A. Then for subtraction, what happens? It is not true. That means A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Now for multiplication, what? It is true. So that way A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. And for division, it is not true. That means A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. Students, so for rational number, this is the conclusion for commutative property. Now always remember, these things are very important when you go in forward standards or higher standards, and this is the foundation or basics, so it is very important to remember everything. Other thing is, this can be very helpful if you in future go for competitive exams like CAT or GMAT or similar. So always remember this, and if you remember it with this kind of equation, the generalized equation, that will be easier. And always you can come back to this video and see it and brush up your knowledge. So we have completed one topic today, that is rational number and commutative for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. If you like the video, you can like it, or if you want something specific, you can write in comments. I will try to cover that video as well in our future combination. Now, otherwise, you can also share with your friends and other people whom you think it will help. So, आपको ये सबको बताना है ताकि दूसरों को भी इसका एडवांटेज मिले, और ये सब कुछ फ्री है, सो आप बहुत आसानी से दूसरों को बता सकते हो, तो उनको कोई चार्जेस के बिना ये सब सीखने मिलेगा. सो थैंक यू फॉर टुडेज वीडियो, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग टुडेज वीडियो, and I will see you in next video. Bye bye.